Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So after the market opening, we can see further correction on the chart of DXY. And as you can see, the DXY right now standing at 102.59, and yes, the correction is continuing on the chart here. If you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD or Euro USD, I have talked about the important or critical level of 102.40 to 102 level here. Why this level is important? Because this is the level, okay, that will act as a critical support for the market. So as long as DXY is standing above this level, we can consider that we are just under a correction only. Okay, but if market breaks this particular level and starts going down further, there will be a trend reversal. So things will change from 102 level onward. So if DXY, as you can see right now, selling is going on. So if DXY bounces from 102, 102.40, 102.30, okay, then again DXY will be in uptrend. But if DXY fails to hold the support and starts going down further, then yes, there will be a further downside and there may be a complete trend reversal on the chart of DXY or US dollar. So please keep your one eye on DXY. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD once. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD. I'll be just giving you two trading opportunities, or from my personal point of view, I think that we have only two trading opportunities that are safe, or that look safe at least. First of all, if you have a buy position on the market right now, then please be on the buy position because the DXY is falling. GBP USD looks extremely strong and you should be making more money on the trade right now if you have any ongoing buy position. But if you are looking for a fresh entry or fresh position in the market, then in that case I'll say that you must be waiting for some time, because see, try to understand, if you take a buy position here, then obviously your SL will be somewhere around here, and the SL is too much. You can see a huge gap of at least 100 pips, so not a good trade. And market is strong enough, there is no logic to take any sell position right now. So taking a sell position is a huge risk, so buying and selling both are not an option for us right now. So as a result, okay, this is not an ideal position. If you have any ongoing buy or sell position, that's a different chapter, but for fresh opportunity, fresh entry, this is not a good position. First trading opportunity maybe around this level, 1.2600, 1.2650. This can be your first trading opportunity. Why? Okay, because previously we have witnessed selling pressure around this level. So this is a resistance, this is a static resistance, and we also have the 200 moving average coming down. So around this level we have a static resistance, plus we have a dynamic resistance in the form of 200 MA. So if we combine both the factors here, there is a high chance that market will face some selling pressure around this level. Okay, and I think when GBP USD will be standing at the resistance zone here, DXY will also be standing at the support zone here. There. So if DXY bounces or reverses from the support zone, there is a good chance that GBP USD will also be reversing from the resistance zone here. So if GBP USD reverses, if you get the confirmation in the form of price rejection from above that yes, selling is there, sellers are present in the market, you can go for a sell position. Okay, but yes, you need to get the confirmation first that yes, that market is about to reverse. Confirmation is the only thing that differentiates a trader from a gambler. So please do not compromise with the confirmation and risk management. Okay, so this is our first trading opportunity. If market reverses from this level here and DXY bounces from the support at the same time, we can take a sell position. Okay, this is our first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity will be around 1.2480 to 1.24 sorry 1.2470. This is our second trading opportunity. If market comes down, then yes, there is a possibility of market bouncing from this level here. Why there is a possibility? First of all, we have a trend line acting as a dynamic support, but as of now, okay, in fact, you have probably heard me saying that trend lines are not working much these days, okay, and obviously trend lines are weaker in comparison to static support resistance. So as a result, trend lines can be deceiving also. But in this level, okay, if we draw the Fibonacci, we can see that around 1.2470, 1.2480, we have the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, and we also have the trend line. So as a result, I think that there is a possibility that if market comes down for correction, market may bounce as well. But keep in mind, these levels will only work in case of a correction only. Overall, GBPUSD chart is very much bearish. So in case there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, if you see GBPUSD forming big red candles, obviously these levels will not be able to hold the market. After all, see, every level has got some potential, some strength. Okay, some levels are very reliable, some levels are not that reliable. So if you ask me, Avilash, what is the reliability of this level? The reliability of this level is medium. Okay, medium, and this will only work under normal circumstances only. In case there is a heavy fall in the market, so obviously you cannot expect the market to bounce. After all, fundamentals dominate the market. Technicals only help us to to take entry and exit in the market. Okay, so whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. But as a trader, it is our duty to trade fundamentally and technically. We need to consider both technicals and fundamentals. Okay, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Protect your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority. Okay, bye bye, take care.